So the manufacturer of GI Move, they actually sent me the specification of GI Move LC. And one of those specifications is that I see that GI Move LC is actually made of aluminium 6061. So they actually put bracket commonly used in aircraft structure. So I'm curious, is it really commonly used in aircraft structure? What I did is that I actually went Google to research. This is what I found. I just gotta say, the sunset is beautiful. This is what I found. Bicycles and e-bike frames are mostly made of two types of aluminium, 6061 and 7005. So as mentioned, GI Move LC is made of 6061 frame, which is commonly used in aircraft structures such as aircraft wings, and 6061 consists of aluminium, magnesium and silicon, whereas 7005, which is the other type of bicycle frames, as I mentioned, these two are mostly used in bicycle frames. 7005 consists of aluminium and zinc. It appears to be more resistant by itself, but 6061 has better welding ability and resulting in more sturdy body frame. And throughout these few minutes, the past couple of minutes of me talking, I bet you didn't notice how quiet this ride is. Whereas Zebra e-bike has actually a lot of noise and feels quite flimsy while riding and has a lot of noise. I'll insert a clip so you guys can hear the difference. If you guys feel that I'm exaggerating, feel free to stay until the end of the video to observe. By the way, throughout I have been riding gear 5. Most of the time I've been riding gear 5. So it's just very smooth. Two factors. One of them is the frame, very sturdy frame. No noise, unlike Zebra. I go through uneven grounds, it just no matter what speed. Gear 1 also, a lot of noise on Zebra. Whereas GI Move LC, very smooth, very quiet, right? That's why I mentioned, that's why I dare to say it's one of the more quality e-bikes. Okay, we go through this kind of lights, no noise, you see? We go through those kind of lights also, no noise.
This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!